Hello everyone. This video is regarding the mail merge, how to create a mail merge, which is according to the standard 6th and 7th. In every class, almost 6th and 7th, we have the mail merge to create a mail merge document. So I have created a document with simply a text written in the form of letter, and this text will be used to merge and form the mail merge document. So here we comes. So first of all, create a letter. We have the three phases of the mail merge document. The first one is the main document, which I have already created, this one. And the second one is the recipient list, which you have to create. So how do we create the mail merge? We'll follow all the steps. First of all, click on the mailing tab in the Word. So from here, we have the third option from the starting. We have the start mail merge. From there you have to select the letter, and after selecting the letter, this document which I have already created will be selected by default. And after that, what you have to do is you have to create the recipient list. See here, I have clicked on the select recipient list. So we have the three options. The first one is type a new list, second one use an existing list, and the third one is choose from Outlook contacts. So I have already created a list, so I will be showing you all how the list, which list we have created, we will add to it in the document and then merge to form a mail merge document. So I'm going to choose the second option. The second option is use an existing list. So here it comes. So you have to select the source file. So as we select the recipient list from the list of recipient list, from there, after selecting that, we will have the edit recipient list active. We have to just see that everything which we will be inserting in the mail merge document is correct, is okay or not. Just have a look. In this, you will just enter those details which are relevant, which are important for the invitation letter to be sent to the various people, and the rest. So we have, yes, the list is okay, so we will just click on to OK, and from there what we have to do is next we have to insert those fields which you have to insert in the main document. So first of all, you have to write to, so that to whom you have to the second option, print document, and as we select, it will ask for the do you want to print record for all or for the current or from 1 to n numbers, whatever the numbers it may be. So I will select all, and from there all I have to select the printer. Before printing or before saving your generating your mail merge document, you have to install the default printer. It may be a printer which is not installed, or it may be a printer which will support which has been installed with the Microsoft Office. So I've selected that only, Microsoft Print to PDF, just for the sake of printing the mail merge. So I will click on to OK, and it will generate, it will ask you for the name. So I have created the name as the mail merge document. Mail merged, so I have named as the mail merged. So after that, and I will click save, and this file will be generated. Like, we'll see that where is the file. So here is the file, mail merged. So we will see that it will open for the meantime, and we'll see that those recipients which we have already added. For example, this first recipient, the second recipient, third recipient, and third recipient, and then comes the fourth recipient, and then comes the we have already seen that. I will show you second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth one. So we have seen that the mail merge document has been created. So thank you for watching my video.